SUI shows a potential 1% rise by tomorrow, CoinLore data suggests. Before we dive in, let's take a look at the market right now. According to the latest chart, SUI has dropped 0.1% and is near $0.9184. Now, let's explore the forecast section. Traders Union expects the price to reach $0.9121 tomorrow, a retreat of approximately 0.7%. CoinCodex believes SUI could move downward toward $0.9167, a potential drop near 0.2%. Coin price forecast highlights the potential to reach at 92 cents, a rise of approximately 0.2%. A different forecast from CoinLore notes SUI could head upward to $0.9279, about 1% above current levels. And to end 30 rates highlights $0.9364 by tomorrow, up by 2%. That's the highest potential return forecasted. Tomorrow's calls are done. Let's check the next move. We've gathered all the predictions. Here's the analytical view. From all the predictions combined, the likely market shift sits between a decline of 0.7% and a gain of 2%, depending on the analyst. When everything is tallied, 30 rates has the top return with 2% gain in value by tomorrow. That makes it possible to bring in between $2 and $20 for every $1,000 you invest. From a volatility standpoint, CoinCodex's forecast is the most probable, showing a 87.4% likelihood of being correct. With the forecasts combined, I've built an overall consensus outlook. Consensus analysis suggests SUI could end up near $0.9226. Let's go through it step by step. The consensus perspective has the price moving higher by 0.5%. On those same terms, your capital could potentially move higher by 0.5%. On a 1,000 position, this could potentially mean around $5 more. So in terms of chances, the consensus outlook for SUI is placed at roughly 85.6%. Let's quickly review the 3-day forecast before moving on. Traders Union projects weaker prices ahead. The outlook from meanwhile CoinCodex shows the price drifting lower. Coin price forecast expects SUI to stay relatively flat in the coming days. For the near term, CoinLore expects SUI to follow an ascending path. According to 30 rates, the short-term direction likewise points upward. Taken together, analyst forecasts indicate SUI may follow a declining path. Looking across the forecasts, 60% suggest SUI will trade higher. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Let's see how they held up in reality. As a result, yesterday concluded with the price at $0.9275. Yesterday's result showed that just one forecast was right about the move. Coin price forecast came out with the most exact forecast. Let's lay it out step by step. Just one forecast turned out to be inside the trading span. As far as ROI goes, coin price forecast was the only one in profit with 0.6%. Here's the daily results overview. A quick visual of all forecast accuracy. When checking results, digital coin price showed minus 1.5% ROI and $0.0321 accuracy. Can you tell which analyst came the closest to reality? Here's how tomorrow's projections look for other cryptocurrencies compared with SUI. SUI remains below the leader as Zcash shows 0.8% growth potential. Here you can see SUI compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. You can find more forecasts and updates on my website. If you're here to stay updated on SUI, a simple like will help me keep making these reviews. Talk to you soon.